guys, and welcome to Moving Minds with Money. And in today's video, I'm going to give you a quick basic tutorial for Clickbank. This is for beginners. If you've never done affiliate marketing, if you've never ventured into Clickbank before, I'm going to show you exactly how the whole process works and what you need to look out for. Remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe for more awesome money making methods. Now, without further ado, let's dive right into this. I've got the screen recording going, and the first thing you want to do is you want to head over to accounts.clickbank.com, where you will find this page. Now, you can either log in with your existing account, or obviously you can create an account here. I just want to show you how this looks, or how the setup looks. Now, please note that it is 100% free to join, obviously. There's no hassles. We've been using Clickbank for a while now, and it's never giving us any problems whatsoever. So here's the simple setup: your country, first name, last name, phone number, email address, and a password. Please make sure that it's a strong password to avoid any cybersecurity threats or issues. But once you've done that, you'll be able to log in, which I've done here, right? And I've headed over to Clickbank's marketplace. Now, as you can see, so once you've logged in and you click on affiliate marketplace, you will be directed to this page right here. This is how it looks. And as you can see, you have a wide range of categories. You have art and entertainment. You have, as seen on TV, betting systems, business, investing. If you go down, we have health and fitness, home and garden, languages, mobile, parenting. So we have a whole range of categories here of products that you can actually promote. Now, let's choose one of these categories. For example, let's dive into health and fitness. Right? So here you are shown, right? Here are a number of products, right? As you can see, here's Exipure, Icaria juice, T-Burn, so these are all health related products. And an interesting thing that I actually want to show you guys right here is you can see here's a gravity score. Now, this gravity score right here, right, is based on a 12-week time period. Now, this time period takes into account the most recent sales. In other words, for example, yesterday's sales of this product contribute more to the gravity score than the sales that were a week or 2 weeks ago, right? So the gravity score is basically a performance metric, right? A performance metric that kind of almost measures the popularity, if I can explain it like that. Now, the gravity score, right, is something you want to look at when you are promoting products. Now, traditionally, you'd need to look for a gravity score between 50 and 200 is the sweet spot for most affiliates. The problem with these very high, outrageously high gravity scores, I mean, look at this one, 780. Look at this one, 442.25. Yes, that means that the product is selling. There are a lot of recent sales, but the problem is that you're competing with large affiliates that maybe have bigger advertising budgets than you do, that have more manpower than you do, perhaps. But so the thing is that you want to look for something that's relatively high, but that's not outrageously high, like 442, 780. It means the competition is very, very high, so it's very saturated. So you want to look at something that's in the range of, let's say, between 50 and 200. Something like this, for example, which is 80. Some would consider it pretty low, but rather that, this means you can still tap into it. There's not a lot of competition on it. It may be a little bit harder to tap into, it may be a little bit harder to promote, but the competition is not that fierce. So you're giving yourself that much of a better chance. For example, this one, 78.53, is also decent. This one is actually almost perfect. 124.98 is actually the sweet spot. So yeah, you got to play around with the gravity scores, and you don't want something that's too low, and you don't want something that's outrageously high. I would say something above 200 is pretty high. But anyway, once you choose your product, for example, let's do these care essentials. You click on promote, right? And the nickname of your account would obviously be your account, simply your account name. Then what would happen is they would create, once you enter your account name, they would create a Clickbank creates a hop link for you, and that hop link, right, is unique to your Clickbank account. So you use that hop link to promote your products on whatever promotion method you choose: Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, whatever it may be, where you promote it. A lot of people also use blogs, but you get that unique URL, and you use that URL basically to promote your products, because Clickbank can track your sales. So if you make a sale, if anyone buys that product using your link, you earn your commission. So it is as simple as that, guys. A basic introduction to Clickbank. I hope it helped you. Like, share, comment, and subscribe for more. We'll see you in the next money making video.